Hannah with WTI. Let me show you the best decor we had at our recent talent show. It is these gold post and red velvet ropes by CAMMOO. I wanted a nice red carpet VIP theme, and these were right when they walked in the door. Everyone got to walk down the red carpet themselves. It was really cool, and it was very easy to pull off with these. I got the 8 set, so you get 8 posts and 8 ropes, which is really nice, so you have lots of different configurations you can use. So I had 6 going down my red carpet, and then I had 2 more with a rope right at the entrance for crowd control. They come with a base that you can easily add water or sand to. I just did water from the sink, and they're not so heavy that it's hard to move them around the event, but I did not have a problem with them falling over. They're very sturdy once you fill them up with water, and I had no problems with leaking. The red velvet ropes are really pretty. The velvet is gorgeous. I just really loved having these at my event. I got so many compliments on them because it's just something kind of out of the ordinary. If you have an event that these would fit in, I highly recommend them. They are really fun, but that's just my point of view.